A good car vacuum cleaner is an essential tool for any car owner. It can help you clean the dirt and debris from your vehicle's interior, making it look like new. There are a variety of different types of cleaners that you can choose from, depending on what you need to clean up. Some vacuums are designed to quickly remove pet hair, while others are great for deep cleaning carpets. A good vacuum can help you clean the car more thoroughly and in less time. The best car vacuums are versatile and powerful enough to remove dirt from any type of surface. We've compiled a list of the best vacuums for cars that will help you find the perfect one for your needs. So today's video we're breaking down 5 best vacuum for car cleaning you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Workshop. Looking for a new car vacuum cleaner to make your life a little easier? You've found the perfect one. Workshop Wet Dry Vax Vacuum is the ultimate car vacuum or shop vac for cleaning any spills, dirt, and dust in and around your workplace. Weighing in at only 19 pounds, you can take this vacuum with you anywhere. It's lightweight, has a long cord that reaches 0 feet from the plug, and a long hose that reaches 5 feet from the vacuum. It also has a filtration system which makes it easy for you to clean up on any job site. We make vacuums that don't suck. Made by car detailers for car detailers. The Workshop Wet Dry Vax Vacuum is the most powerful vacuum cleaner you can find that's portable and lightweight. The vacuum is made of durable ABS plastics and stainless steel, which makes it easy to transport and clean with a hose. Number 4. Sun Joe. Say goodbye to those messy car rides with Sun Joe Vacuum Cleaner. We've designed this vacuum with the driver in mind. It's ultra portable, has a 2.6-gallon tank for easy emptyings, and comes with 2 extensions to clean every inch of your car. It's lightweight and has a convenient handle, so you can carry it up the stairs or stow it away in your trunk. Your car can now be as clean as your home. Get the most out of your car time by using Sun Joe's ultra-portable, lightweight vacuum to keep it in top condition. Now you don't have to worry about what type of dirt might be hiding in your car or how to dispose of it. Cover a large area in minutes and keep your car looking new and fresh with Sun Joe. Our wet-dry vacuum is 2.6 gallons of amazing with a 3.5 HP motor and 2 different floor nozzle attachments. Number 3. Decker. When it comes to cleaning, most of us don't have the time or energy to do it right. That's why we created Decker. The only tool you need for your car cleaning, home cleaning, and pet hair removal needs. Decker is lightweight and cordless, so you can use it anywhere, even in your car. Get rid of dirt, debris, and pet hair on your carpet, upholstery. You'll get a powerful handheld vacuum to clean everything. And it's super light and battery powered. You'll never need to worry about cords again. Decker's patented cyclonic technology makes sure that your vacuum stays powerful with a sealed system. Decker has a low noise level, and the compact design fits anywhere, even in your trunk. Nozzle rotates 180 degrees to fit into tight spaces at different angles. DDS an extra layer of versatility for dusting and vacuuming upholstery. Number 2. Bissell. Get the cleanest car on the block with the most compact cordless vacuum cleaner. You don't need to worry about storage space, cords, or the hassle of finding a power outlet. The Bissell AeroSlim lithium-ion cordless handheld vacuum solves your pet hair problems with its powerful suction, pet hair pickup tool, and washable filter. The vacuum is perfect for fast cleanups in hard-to-reach places too. This cordless vacuum is a must-have for car enthusiasts and allergy sufferers alike. It's versatile and ideal for car cleaning, upholstery, stairs, and more. Charging is convenient and versatile with the standard charger and included USB charging cable. Fits into any space with its modern aesthetic and integrated tool storage and stand. 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush store together with hand vacuum on one stand, so they're always ready to clean. Number 1. Eureka. Eureka is the world's most powerful and lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner for clean car interiors. Eureka's motorized brush has powerful suction, which is impressive considering its size. The LED headlights are a big plus for drivers and passengers alike, providing a 360-degree view of the interior. And the best bit? It doesn't leave any cord behind on your car seat or dashboard. Made for cleaning and shining car headlights, Eureka's LED headlights are reliable for years of use. It has a powerful 220V motor, a comfortable grip handle, and is lightweight to clean hard-to-reach areas. It also comes with a beater brush and a crevice tool. Allows you to easily clean hard-to-reach areas with minimal effort. Powered by the latest motor technology, the Rapid Clean makes cleaning convenient and thorough. Up to 40 min of fade-free runtime. Easily switch to max power on fingertip controls to increase suction for better cleaning on carpet and rugs.